Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2018 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke diesel. It's got 121,000 miles on it. It has an Auto Crane Titan service body with a HC8X auto crane. That's an 8,000 pound crane with a 30-foot reach. It has a auto crane hydraulic air compressor. It's got a Miller Trailblazer welder generator on it. Pretty nice truck. I'm gonna walk around and show it to you. It's rust free. Got a set of slide out shells on the driver's side, extended cab. Let's walk around and look at it. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, cruise control. One thing I do want to point out is somebody's let the crane go down too far and it did this to the bed right here. It could be fixed. I wanted to look at fixing it. Got some LED compartment lights. Come back around here and work the crane and outriggers in a few minutes. Go ahead and look at the rest of the truck. C-Tech drawers. Power inverter. Got a couple of books here for the crane. That's just water running out. That outrigger's not leaking. Outriggers are down. That one goes out further. Just showing you the basic functions here. lift this valve up here for hydraulic flow to the crane. Up. Winch down. Extension out. Winch down. Extension out. Extension in. Winch up. Obviously it goes out further and goes around. I'm just showing you the basic functions that everything works like it should. Go back around. Sit it down. Remote off. Stove compartment. Outrigger's up. Ah, I forgot to turn the air compressor on. I'll kick it on. This remote back up. Get off. All right, I want to point out a few cosmetic things on this truck just because this is an expensive truck and I want you to know what you're getting. The hood has a few hell dings on it. This truck come out of Oklahoma. I'm not sure if you can pick them up in the video. One here, here, a couple up in there. And the bed does have some chips on it. We just touched them up. Right here it's chipped. Probably because whoever used the truck let the leads fall and hit right here. But as you can see, there is some chipping. We don't repaint the whole beds, we just touch them up. Back here on the back, there's some chips, pretty normal. Back here, some chips. Right here, probably from letting this hit. I think that was it. Just wanted to point that out. Excuse me. I mean, it is a used work truck. It's what, 6 years old, 120,000 miles, but I don't want it to get to somebody and they go, you didn't know about this. So, let's see if we get the welder started. Forgetting things for some reason. Miller Trailblazer 325. How many hours? 153 hours. AC blows cold. So if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text that number. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.75 to $2 a mile to have this truck shipped. Sometimes it's a little cheaper than that. Depends on where you're located. You can hit me up with your zip code and I can tell you what it'll cost to have it shipped. If you decide to go that route and have it shipped, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we do, we'll post this thing on our board and we'll wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama heading to Michigan or California, New York, Maine, Wisconsin, anywhere you're at, we want to take it. So what we do is we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got that truck. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay for it. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Sometimes we'll get them picked up immediately. It depends, like I said, where you're located and what's heading that way, the weather, all that good stuff is a determining factor. But I say all that to say this, if you're one of those guys, you got to know the exact second someone's going to pull up here and pick it up, the exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. I can't tell you that. Nobody can. It's unrealistic. But, if you are one of those guys, the only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're obviously welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Obviously, I'm not a fan of somebody bringing the amount of cash it's going to take to buy this truck. So wire transfer or cashier check is preferred. I guess that's about it on this one. Again, it's a 18 Ford F550, 121, 247 on the mileage. 4-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke, 11-foot auto crane Titan body, 8,000-pound auto crane with a 30-foot reach. That's about the biggest crane you're going to get on a 550. One set of C-Tech drawers, hydraulic air compressor, welder. It's pretty much set up with everything you need to go to work. This truck new, I'd say with a welder and everything, is probably closing in on 200 grand. So not a cheap truck. May even be more than that. I'm not sure. So anyways, if you get interested and you want to buy this truck, give me a call, give me a text, send me a smoke signal, whatever you want to do. So that's going to be about it. We're located in Lincoln, Alabama. Give me a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching.